Toy Bros. Hi, this is Toy Boy and Toy Tot. Today we have Plants vs. Zombies Warfare 2, but today I had Plants vs. Zombies Warfare 2, but now it's gone, so I just have Plants vs. Zombies Warfare 1. But we could open these up. Me? You know, you get the zombie. No, what the? How do you get these open? CD. Oh, oops. Is that guy allowed to come up in two pieces? I guess he is.
So let's see which one this is. This is the Toxic Chomper Accessory Pack number 1.
Could someone get these off?
Okay, where's scissors?
No, not yet. We need to cut it. Alpha, you told mine.
Okay. So in the Toxic Chomper Accessory Pack, Toy Boy, show which ones came in that pack.
You need to get something open. First. It's jalapeno thing. Head top.
Okay, go ahead and I'll get this one.
Okay, so the first one that came in the set was the Classic Chomper. Wow, he's a really cool figure. All around him, he has like, okay. There's the Classic Chomper. Now this is one of my favorite guys. It's Potato Man, and when he bit out it and the zombie depths on it, it goes like pew! Then the zombies go flying. This is the sunflower. Toy Tot really wanted to get. It's a pot. Remember what a pot? Oh, I remember. To him. Now this is the Sunray fart beam. So the front of him is that. So hand me down. Okay. Now here is the football zombie. So
this was the next pack, which is called the Goalie Star Zombie Sunflower Pack. We're still working on getting them all out. So Toy Boy, show those that came in this pack.
Here is the football zombie. The football zombie. This is the football zombie. Here is the front. Right here, around him. Now this is the last one. Sunflower.
Well, he's a goalie.
Yeah.
He must be, because it's called the Goalie Pack. What else came in that pack? What is this?
It goes on him. He's supposed to be holding it in his hand. It's his gun.
Oh.
He has a gun.
I see.
I'll get it.
Now let me show what you can get.
Okay, you can get all of these ones. The one I really want to get out of this set is that pea shooter. The Captain Pea Shooter. I want to get that Captain Pea Shooter.
Okay. Well,
He's
that
cool.
one next.
He's cool looking. I want to get him. And I want to get him. I want to get these two right there. That cactus needle guy. And I want to get the cactus needle and the helmet pea shooter. And we have the chopper and the sunflower. So bye guys. Watch our
These are
next
the
video.
Garden Warfare ones.
Bye guys. Toy Bros.